Looking good.
Headquarters surrenders here with the best $5 you can possibly spend. Language arts, writing, reading, next year. Get involved next year when we go south to
to 8 back in the early 30s as well. We see a mix of falling in love with that car more and more. Sportsmen in their 1930 Ford.
Magnitude. It's worth mentioning that, as we say in the South, ain't no trailer queens here. These cars are driven.
It just simply means that I'm the kind of guy with a big belly that likes everything, like a catfish.
Oh, so the nickname Catfish is because he doesn't have a hard time eating big old magnificent it is.
So if you take my Honda Civic and 4 more and add them together, you'd almost have the weight of that one car.
Good to see you.
Ladies and gentlemen, out of Endicott, New York, Louise Feeney and Jim Feeney in their 1930s. Right behind them, show you cars like you are about to see. Dan, Team Stahl. Wow, you made it through another day. Look at him hang over that wall.
So, hardware store on ice skates. A hardware store on ice skates, but isn't it pretty?
Welcome, Keith. Welcome, Rick.
Right up there.
Look at that. Keep that water for the end of our rally day. A couple of 100 miles. Man, I'll tell you what. They earn their sleep each night.
Yeah, these early cars, no power steering, no synchros in the transmission, very, very manual brakes. Brad wasn't running car tires. It shows how awesome the event is for him.
Ford Reiki from Freeport, Maine. A Navigator, 1930 Ford Speedster is here. Ladies and gentlemen, stop in at our souvenir area. We are very Tennessee and Concord Fair. Say hello.
Thousands of miles across this country just to be here with you. And you know, my favorite people of the whole world are, and you know why that is, don't you? Because they're driving all the way across this country wearing out tires.
I love that. That is absolutely my favorite thing of the world. So really doing a great job. We have literally had.
And one of our great racers headed him off with his car and just pushed him into a wall. Back then, he got straight from that poor thing. It literally saved their life. That's what this race team was about. Really research the Air Force or something. We had the Maine National
Yeah. Red light in the front and the silent in the back. Go ahead a little more. Side hit loose. That's good. Good.
Too much voltage or a gap or something. That's what it happened.
Dennis O'Connell from Peculiar, Missouri. Stephen Hebert, Westlake, Louisiana. The 1970s.
Beautiful lines, and many of people's first impressions with Zephyrs are of a highly customized car. This one wonderfully restored, 12-cylinder.
Look over here, they're waving.
Oh man, I'm right. That's a daily driver of Volkswagen. Cool.
Well, it's just the experience overall.
It's an amazing experience, right? To show no Firefly.
Ladies and gentlemen, she carries her motto right on the left front fender of the car. That is her go-to statement. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And she was a recipient. That was Grandpa's car. This young lady driving the car, she begged me when she was 9 years old. Right behind them, number 53. Here we go, Men in Black Rally Team out of Fairport, New York. Lex Schliemann, David Kuhn. Chris Bringard out of Blanchard, North Dakota. Take a look at those beautiful white racing suits. Man, they will be doing. This is Peter LaMontagne, Bill Sacramone out of Oxford, Mass. and Fort Orange. 1964 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 212 in a 1914 Model T. Great race this year. 1967 Plenty of Talk, and that takes some doing. Right behind them, out of White River Junction, racing with us again, Bill Jostler out of White River Junction, Vermont. Will Jostler, St. Johnsbury, Vermont. 1929 Ford Model A Speedster. The license plate is Esplender. The car was actually built. Great to have them here. Oh look, they put the steering wheel on the wrong side. Hey, Diane Hopkins and Hoppy Hopkins. We would call it a hearse.
Backing away from the hearse a little bit now. It has a little bit of heebie-jeebies. It's black and big. It's still got Buick style. It is somewhat freakback.
It is spectacular. Look at this little line of Mark John. He's got that car for me just wound up like the old value. Convertible. Absolutely.
A beautiful Lincoln with a really cool story.
That is cool. Bring it on. Right behind them. Say hello to Alan. And they finished it as beautifully as they could finish this 1946 Dodge one-ton story. It just runs. Maybe if a car comes from Oregon, they're always that way. 6,000 pounds. That is even heavier. Interest. Shigi Yasui from Shiga, Japan. His daughter, and they have rallied with us before. Great to have them back. Here at the Great Review, Christian Robert, one of my heroes, Jim Minetto, the publisher of Hemmings Motor News, Stephanie Siegel. I got to show you, if you need to, find our tent tonight and we will have a deal for Bertie Riley. They ran into a problem. So they brought out their Mercedes within their 1959 Volvo PV544, and they enjoyed their stop. Francesca, Gary Goldsberry from Parker, Colorado. Crystal Goldsberry, Parker, Colorado. Rookie Slaughter, they're out of Louisville, Kentucky. Alpine, Russ Ambrose, Joe Murphy. Baker coming your way. Right behind them, Idaho, Tom Helmer cheering for them. The volunteer Steve Hedke of the Santa Clarita Experience team of Peter Hersey, Steve Hedke. Great to have them here. And to completing this rally is fundraising literally by the mile to help find a cure. Okay. It's not going to be in your car tomorrow, too. The rest of the week. All right, we got it. Lupe from Columbus, Indiana. Rookies in a rare car. This is a 19...
get something out of it, once in a lifetime chance.
This is a rare vehicle, the Interceptor, 440 cubic feet. Great car. That is on my list, actually. I either want to, I'm thinking Boston and Maine, sing the praises of our players, hoping that one of our players or several of our players will achieve the NCAA scholarship offers. And over the years, we've got to send a lot of folks to the university. And the university, then I work with the funeral associates right behind them. Entry number 13. Please be patient, student driver. I get that. Three seconds. Welcome. Right behind them, vintage dirt track cars around the Northeast. Those of you that know dirt up in the Northeast would recognize a car of this design. Completed in 1954.
Oh, I don't think so.
No.
My goodness, get cable TV. That's what I was saying. 26 and happily. Celsius today. On the Fahrenheit scale, that would be like 2 Skylarks coming on. This is 49.4, and I went to many a Saturday night drive-in movie in the back seat, squished in there, late 30s, early 50s. I can tell you about Maine. Always had that somewhere. You would see both of these two cars flashing the belly up, having a good time. We were out in the street. Absolutely. If you're my vintage, do you remember Mon Point? The Hill Country Roadrunners, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from... When I think of your home, I think of some of the great race families that come out.
When Dan came to Jacksonville to ask about the race,
He brings members of his scout troop each and every year, as the fins would lift it right off the ground. This is happening. Had a good run. They played with those fins over the years. Classic. How many cars are left? Anything to say about this great town?
I am so pleased that all of you are here, and thank you for choosing Bangor as an overnight stop. This is really impressive, and we're happy to host you.
So let's keep you here. Let's keep you here for a minute. Was this what you... Chatting over here with Hemmings Motor News, guys. We see more vacation forward. The car set.